happy Sunday. We are starting today's vlog in the car because we're going to be doing a huge Sunday reset today, and I actually am starting with bodyrok today. So it's currently 9 a.m. I'm about to head into the door for bodyrok. Very, very excited. We actually have two different plans today. We are going out to breakfast at 11:30, and we have a wedding tonight that I have to be ready for. But nonetheless, we are going to get everything done. And I'm actually going to start by just quickly writing down some things that I want to get done for my Sunday reset. I always like to kind of just make a little list of everything it is that I want to get done for my Sunday reset. So first things first, when I get back to my apartment, first thing I'm doing is putting the sheets in the wash. So I'm gonna write down sheets and wash. While the sheets are in the wash, I need to clean up the kitchen because I have dishes in the sink, and there's nothing that grosses me out more than having dirty dishes in the sink. So I wanna do the kitchen. Then we'll probably be starting to get ready for breakfast, so I probably won't have time to do much else. So I'm just going to get ready, go to lunch, like I guess brunch kind of, because it's at 11:30. Then when I get back, it'll be time to put my sheets in the dryer. And then while my sheets are in the dryer, I'm gonna do the rest of the cleaning. So the living room, the bedroom, my bedroom needs quite a lot of help. It got really messy yesterday, so I'm gonna do my bedroom, and then once I'm done with my living room and bedroom, I'll pretty much be done with cleaning because I live in an apartment, so like it's a pretty small space. And then I'll do all the vacuuming and wiping, and then it'll be time to put my sheets back on the bed, and then it'll be time to start getting ready for the wedding. So I like to make this little checklist every single time I'm getting ready to kind of just Sunday reset. Just really always helps me to just kind of get on track with what I need to get done for the day. I don't like to be like random with any of it. I like to be very intentional with when I'm doing a Sunday reset. So I'm really excited. It's going to be the ultimate perfect Sunday reset, and I love that we're starting it off with a workout. I also yesterday did a hair mask and freshly blow dried my hair, but it is already blown out. I was like, I can't add a blow dry today. It's just not gonna happen, but we're gonna be resetting our space. I also kind of hope to do some journaling today as well, but I'm really excited to reset with you guys. So let's start by stepping right into bodyrok. Okay guys, I got out of my workout and we're actually going to head out now instead of waiting because my workout actually ran a little bit late, which has never happened to me before, but I honestly don't mind. It was a really good workout. But we are actually gonna head out, grab a coffee, and then meet my in-laws for breakfast. So we're gonna do that, and then once we get home, I'm gonna Sunday reset. So little change of plans. We have a usual coffee spot that we go to that we like really, really love. So I think we might go there, but I don't know because it's like a little bit farther, but I think we have time. And it's like my favorite coffee spot. Thank you. It's almost 12 p.m. We're probably going to be home. Honestly, I don't know. I'm getting nervous that I'm not going to be home in time to Sunday reset. So in that case, I'm going to have to Sunday reset tomorrow, which is Monday. But it will still be a part of this vlog. So that way you guys can still Sunday reset with me. Put this on when you're Sunday resetting. But just being transparent about the actual Sunday today, that it probably won't actually be today. And I'll probably have to film it tomorrow. But that's okay. We do have a busy day. I feel like every weekend this summer has been busy. Okay, it's a bit later. It's like 4:30. I know the lighting's a bit weird right now, but I'm making my second coffee of the day. I'm not counting my first coffee. It was really good, but I didn't, my frother died, so I just keep mixing it. Babe, we have to put batteries in this frother. But I'm feeling really tired. I just curled my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it like this yet for the wedding, because my curtain bangs I feel like are just not looking good or are gonna stay. But I'm feeling absolutely exhausted today. I don't know why. But I just wasn't feeling very great, feeling very tired. So I have to make another coffee, and I'm about to start my makeup. We're testing to see if I like that pod, and I don't. I don't like this pod, but I can deal with it. I'm gonna get ready for the day. I might vlog a little bit after I get ready, but I can't like do my makeup and vlog at the same time. It like overwhelms me. So I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna do a huge reset tomorrow, but we do have a wedding tonight. So I didn't really get to do much cleaning today. I did a little bit of cleaning, but I didn't do my sheets and everything like I planned to. So we're gonna postpone that for tomorrow and do all of our weekly planning and stuff like that. That is the agendas right now. I'm just gonna get ready and do my makeup. Okay, you guys, I finished getting ready. I'm sitting because I need to quickly just fill out the card, obviously, that we're writing in to send out, or not send out, to bring with us. I did some body glow. I still need to put on my necklace, and I think I need to fix, these straps are a little bit loose. So I think I'm gonna have Joe just tighten it in the back. Not obsessed with my hair. I ended up doing like this little side part, but I just feel like my hair never holds well when it's down. No. Like I was saying, I feel like my hair just doesn't hold very well when it's just like down. I gotta figure out something else to do with it. Well, I'm just gonna leave it and hope for the best, to be honest. I don't know, we'll see how it comes out. But this is the dress. It's actually from Opali. I can link it for you guys, but I really, really like it. I'm really obsessed with it. So I can link it for you guys if you want it. I'll put it in my Shop My, but I'm gonna go ahead and write the card and then we gotta go because we're running pretty late. Quick little cleaning break. It is almost 3 p.m. It's 2:48. I've been cleaning since about 10 o'clock in the morning, so I needed a much needed break. So I'm heading out to just get a coffee. I don't know if I want a coffee or a matcha yet, but I'm heading out to a coffee shop near my house. I'm just gonna go and grab one, which is much needed because I didn't really have a good iced latte today, and I definitely need one. Wait, the cinnamon dolce sounds nice, but I'm scared it's gonna be too sweet. Side note, my hair looks crazy today. It's always the day after a wedding that it looks the most crazy because of all like the hairspray and stuff in it. I got a few of you that asked me to do like a hair care routine video. I definitely need to do one. I've been like fixing my hair care routine, so I will definitely do that for you guys soon. I'm just waiting to see what products are 100%. I only want to promote products that I actually like, so I'm like waiting to see the progress of each product as well. but Joe's inside waiting for our coffees. I sat in this little area and the weather is like perfect right now. It's like 70s, 80s, it's windy, and we're like in the shade. So this reminds me of like being in Paris and just like sitting at little cafes, like exactly what I'm feeling right now. And it's just like a cute little corner that we're on. And I love it. I love weather like this. I never want summer to end. Coffee's secured. Joe's been shaking his for like a half hour. I've never tried. This is the cinnamon dolce latte, iced. Let's see. And Joe got iced caramel macchiato, which I got him last time and he really liked. So. Ooh, try mine. That is sweet. Oh, Joe's is better. Do you like mine?
Mine's better.
You like mine better?
It's very cinnamony, but I can have it.
Do you like mine better?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the best day in the world. Guys, I don't think he actually likes it better. I think he just loves me. So okay, my last load of laundry is in the dryer, and now I'm just finding a YouTube video to watch while I fold this. The clothes in the dryer will be done in like 30 minutes, so I have it all scattered here. It looks like a mess, but I'm gonna go ahead and fold these now. Laundry is always my least favorite chore. I have like a friend whose favorite is laundry, which I think is crazy. It's literally my least favorite, but I'm gonna put on some YouTube and just get to folding.
The chef special.
You asked. The feature merged and moved back 15, and I was gonna try.
Okay, as part of the Sunday reset, these are my big three every single Sunday that I like to run through. So I kind of just want to show you guys a little bit of what I like to kind of run through every single Sunday, because I'm very big on just journaling, getting your mind right for the week, but also just I'm very big on my faith as well. And I think Sundays are a really good day to kind of prioritize that faith. I don't live as close to my church as I did before, so we are like kind of hunting for a new church. We have to do a better job at it, but I do want to show you guys what I like to do. So first we have my journal. It's like all torn up, but this is my journal that I do journaling prompts on. I post pretty much all my journaling prompts on either my House of Eve account on TikTok or on Instagram or on my regular TikTok if I'm doing like a short series. So this is always really, really big for me to journal every single day. I try to journal every day. If it doesn't happen every day, it's usually like 3 to 5 times a week. So I love journaling every single Sunday. And then here is my Bible. I love my Bible. This is the Hosanna Revival. I love this one. I ordered this one online. And then there's actually an altered state near me. It's like in the mall. And I went into it once and they sell all of these Bibles. And they have like the cutest colors. They have a baby pink one. I'm like, oh my God, I wish that I like had a baby pink one. But like, I love this one too. But like, I saw the baby pink one. I was like, wow, I want to buy that one. But I'm like, I just bought this one. So I love it. It has really good like places to annotate as well. So I really like this one. And then we have our planner, which I run down with you guys on TikTok, how I plan each week as well. And I can just quickly show you guys, since it is the last week of August. Since it is the last week of August, I feel like pretty big on things that I want to be productive with, things that I want to get done. I feel like all the time I want to just be productive with my weeks, but especially because it's the last of the month and we're going to something else, I always go into this sheet. And there's a Monday through Sunday, so you'll write down everything that you have to do Monday through Sunday, any appointments, all the things. And then there's a to-do list, and then there's a workout section. So I didn't book a workout for this morning, which is Monday, but I did book an 8 a.m. bodyrok tomorrow for Tuesday. Wednesday, I did an 8:30 bar class. Thursday, I did 8 a.m. bodyrok. Friday, I did a cardio day. And Saturday, I did 11 a.m. bodyrok because Friday night we have plans. And I was like, I feel like if I book too early on Saturday for bodyrok, I just won't end up going. So I booked an 11 a.m., which is a pretty good time. And then at the bottom, you can put a habit tracker. So my habit for today is movement, faith, and journaling. I did move my body and go for a walk today, so I'm going to check that off. But I haven't really done this yet. I'm doing this right now because I'm waiting for the end of my dryer. I just folded all those clothes you saw on the couch, and now I'm waiting for the rest of my dryer to be done. I also have quite a lot of work to do, but I'm going to write a lot of them down because I have like ads to do and all those things. So a few things I kind of just like to follow through, but I do post all of my plan with me's on TikTok if you are interested in that. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just fill all of this in, and then we'll be almost done with the day because I'm almost done journaling. I'm absolutely exhausted. It is 5 p.m. and I feel like this whole day was just putting my life back together between cleaning and between going to the workout, cleaning, all the things. And I love days like this. I always feel super, super productive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I'm gonna vlog again tomorrow and just do a little bit more of like a week in my life, because I feel like this week I'm just gonna be super productive. I have things going on pretty much all week, podcast stuff, workouts, all those types of things. So definitely be sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. 88% of my viewers are not subscribed, so it'd be so helpful if you guys subscribed for me. I like hate asking that, but it's such an easy little click. I always do. Whenever a YouTuber reminds me, I'm like, oh my God, I never even realized I wasn't subscribed. And then I always click it. So it would be super helpful if you guys could do that. And I just love pouring out content for you guys. So be sure to listen to my podcast, watch my YouTube, all the things, and subscribe to my social and follow my socials, especially if you want more of the journaling and planning content that is always there. So thank you so much for your love and support. I'm so lucky to be able to do this for you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.